Find the equation of the image of circle. Circle x plus 4 the whole square, y plus 2 the whole square is equals to 7. Now, when translated by what? By the vector AB, direction vector AB. For a is 2, 3 and a b is minus 5, 4. So, solution. Now the point, the translation vector, the translation vector a b prime means from a to b, that is b minus a, that is a translation t, or a b means that is minus 5, minus 5, minus 2 and 3, minus 4. This gives minus 7, comma minus 1. This means a translation vector AB, that is t minus 7 minus 1. So now a point B is the image of P at xy is P prime at x minus 7 and y minus 1. Here it is, y minus 1. Therefore, from this we have x prime means x plus 7. So p prime at x minus 7 means x prime is equals to x minus 7 and y prime is equals to y minus 1. So substitute x by x means x prime plus 7 and y is equals to y prime plus 1. Now substitute for x prime plus 7 and y prime plus 1 the given equation, that is the equation of circle x plus 4 square plus y plus 2 the square is equal to 7. Now x means x prime plus 7, x prime plus 7 plus 4 square plus y means y plus 1 plus 2 square, that is 7. Then 10 plus 4 is 11, x prime plus 11 square plus y plus 3 the whole square is equals to 7 is the image of the equation of circle of